Are you a small business owner looking for a credit card that doesn't require your personal social security number? Maybe you're building your company under an LLC or corporation and want to protect your personal credit while still getting access to real business spending power. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the best business credit cards you can get using only your EIN, no personal guarantee, no hard credit pull, and no SSN in many cases. Whether you're managing a therapy practice, running an e-commerce store, or launching a startup, these cards are built to give your business the financial freedom it needs. We'll break down exactly how EIN-only cards work, what qualifications you need, and which options like Ramp, NavPrime, and others are worth considering based on your business type and cash flow. So if you've ever wondered which card could help your business grow without risking your personal credit, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the smartest credit card strategies for business owners just like you. If you have any questions about EIN-only cards or want help choosing the best option for your specific needs, drop your questions in the comments. I respond to every single one. Fortunately, there are a number of business credit cards more ideally suited to medium and small businesses, although some may require not just your EIN but your SSN to sign up. Some of the best business credit cards for smaller organizations belong to Ramp, Stripe, and Bill. In this video, we'll explain in detail how EIN-only cards work, how to go about applying for one, and what the best business credit cards are for every type of business scenario. 5 best business credit cards with EIN only. It's entirely possible to sign up for a business credit card using only your EIN, but it will have to be what's called a corporate card. Corporate cards are the only type of business credit cards that only require an EIN. They're intended for established companies and usually come with requirements like high revenue and cash on hand. Major financial institutions like Capital One, Chase, and American Express offer corporate cards, but they're generally designed for large corporations generating millions in revenue. For small to mid-sized businesses and startups, online corporate card providers are a more suitable option. Ramp Business Credit Card. Higher credit limits. Ramp provides credit limits up to 30 times higher than traditional business credit cards by assessing factors like revenue and funds raised, rather than relying solely on your business credit score. Flexible qualification options. Ramp partners with major commerce platforms such as Stripe, Shopify, and Amazon to determine credit limits for startups using sales data. With just 1 year of sales history on these platforms, your business can qualify and accelerate growth. And the rewards. Ramp cardholders enjoy access to over $350,000 in rewards, including discounts, credits, and perks for services like UPS, Amazon Business, AWS, QuickBooks, OpenAI, Notion, HubSpot, and more. Simplified spend control. Customize and enforce expense policies with Ramp Spend Controls. Set limits by vendor, category, or transaction, and automatically flag out of policy or suspicious activity. Comprehensive financial tools. Ramp's business credit card includes a suite of finance features such as expense management, financial reporting, accounting integrations, corporate travel booking, and accounts payable automation. Cons. Eligibility. Only available to corporations, LLCs, or LPs. Sole proprietors are ineligible. U.S. operations. Requires primary operations and corporate spending to be within the U.S., although international purchases are allowed without foreign transaction fees. Balance transfers. Balance transfers are not supported. The Ramp Business Credit Card provides cashback on purchases and comes with no annual fee or foreign transaction fees. It includes advanced expense management tools to help businesses automate financial workflows, control spending, and improve reporting. Ramp does not require a personal guarantee and offers a straightforward approval process tailored to business needs. Designed for modern businesses, the card emphasizes simplicity and efficiency with features like spend controls, detailed analytics, and seamless integration with accounting software. With no preset spending limits and a focus on optimizing expenses, Ramp supports businesses in managing finances effectively while earning consistent rewards. NavPrime Card. No credit check. This eliminates the risk of a hard inquiry impacting your personal credit score. No security deposit, you don't need to put down any upfront funds to obtain the card. Builds business credit. Responsible use of the card can help establish and improve your business credit history with major credit. The Bill Divvy Corporate Card provides a points-based rewards program and offers no annual fee, though foreign transaction fees of up to 0.9% apply. It includes budgeting tools to help businesses manage spend limits by category and align employee expenses with company policies. The card integrates directly with Bill's financial tools for streamlined payment processes. However, the foreign transaction fee could make this card less ideal for businesses with significant international operations. The points-based rewards program may also require more effort to maximize value compared to simpler cashback cards, and the features are geared more toward companies actively using Bill's ecosystem. Coast Fuel Card. Significant fuel discounts. Earn for 10 per gallon discounts at Coast partner stations and 2 per gallon discount at other stations. Wide acceptance. Accepted at most major gas stations across the US. No credit check. Businesses with poor or limited credit history can still access fuel cards and manage expenses. High fees. Each card charges a $4 flat monthly fee for use. Limited discounts at non-partner stations. While it is the most widely accepted fuel card, its network may limit your rewards if you visit non-partner gas stations. Narrow scope. This type of card is only useful if gasoline is a major, ongoing business expense. Business gas cards, or fleet cards, are yet another type of card to consider. They're useful if your business manages over 5 vehicles and you need to track driver expenses. They often rely on your business's financial standing, company-only liability, for approval, rather than a company's credit history. These are typically an option for businesses with substantial annual revenue, often exceeding $1 million. One example is the Coast Fleet Card, which can be obtained using only your EIN. It doesn't require a personal guarantee or impact your personal credit score. It's accepted anywhere Visa is accepted, and offers rebates on fuel purchases. No credit check or personal guarantee required. Approval is based on your business's financial health rather than personal credit. No foreign transaction fees. International purchases won't incur additional charges, saving money on global spending. Straightforward cashback program. Earn cashback on eligible purchases without complicated redemption processes. Limited access due to beta program. Currently, only select businesses are eligible to participate in the corporate card program. Transaction fees reduce cashback value. Fees on certain transactions can diminish the overall benefit of cashback rewards. No rewards bonus categories. Cashback rates remain flat regardless of spending categories. The Stripe corporate card offers no annual fee, foreign transaction fees, or personal guarantee requirements. It provides cashback rewards on all purchases, making it straightforward for businesses to earn savings without category restrictions. The card integrates seamlessly with Stripe's payment platform, benefiting businesses already using its services. While the card's focus on cashback is straightforward, it lacks category-specific bonuses or additional perks like travel benefits, which some businesses may find limiting. The card is primarily suited for companies that already operate within the Stripe ecosystem, potentially narrowing its appeal to others. Summary of the best EIN-only business credit cards. Card comparison. Ramp Corporate Card. The fastest, easiest way to manage expenses. Email. What's your work email? Get started for free. Best business credit card with EIN only. Corporate card and spend management platform. Cashback rewards on purchases. Unlimited employee cards with custom spending limits. Automated receipt matching. Accounts payable software. Must have $25,000 in a business bank account to qualify. Balance must be paid in full each month. Annual fee. NavPrime card. Best for NavPrime subscribers. Business credit building card designed for small businesses. Reports payment activity to major business credit bureaus. No personal credit check required for application. Allows businesses to manage expenses and build credit simultaneously. Bill Divvy Corporate Card. Best for low capital requirements. Corporate card available to registered businesses with an EAN number and U.S. business bank account. Requires an SSN, but only for a soft credit check, so there's no impact on your credit score. Comes with expense management software. Points-based rewards with bonus points in different categories. Annual fee. Coast Visa Fleet Card. Best for fleet management. Fuel and maintenance card for businesses managing fleets. No personal guarantee required. Real-time purchase controls and spending insights. Customizable driver and vehicle level limits. Accepted at thousands of fuel and maintenance locations. Annual fee. Stripe Corporate Card. Best for e-commerce integrations. Card details. Corporate card available on an invite-only basis to U.S. companies. Requires a Stripe account